Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a vlog. So it's going to be a Diwali vlog, and Diwali is my favorite festival. And today is basically 12th of November, and I started this video one day earlier because I've done some makeup for a video which I was filming for YouTube. And today I received some chivdas from my aunt, and they are so delicious. So I just thought I should show you guys. So let's see. So this is pohe ka chivda, and it's really yummy. And this is, I don't know what this is called. I call it vada pav ka chivda because we get this with vada pav and it's really yummy. पिसा हुआ शक्कर डाला है. ये आटे का कुछ तो बनता है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज़ कॉल्ड, बट दिस इज़ ऑल्सो यमी. एंड इसका ही आई गेस मैं इसका ही मीठा वर्जन है. ये एक्चुअली नॉर्मल है और ये मीठा है. एंड दिस इज़ so डिलिशियस. इट इज़ माई वन ऑफ द फेवरेट थिंग्स. एंड आई ऑल्सो हाइड इट फ्रॉम माई फैमिली मेम्बर्स बिकॉज आई नो अगर उनको पता चल गया तो ये 2 दिन में चट हो जाएगा. बट मैंने उसको छुपा के रखा एंड आई रियली लव इट. So I'll just keep you guys updated whatever I do tomorrow because I don't think I have anything to do tomorrow, but if by chance if I do anything, I'll just keep you guys updated. And I have a Diwali puja at my shop on 14th, so yeah, I'll guess I'll meet you guys at that time. Hey guys, so today is 14th of November and today is Diwali and today is also Children's Day. So happy Children's Day and happy Diwali to you and your family. And I'm ready. I wore this kurta and I washed my hair. I also applied kajal. I never apply kajal, but yeah, today I applied it. And now I'm going to do my nails. I wanted to do it yesterday, but me being me, I didn't do it, and I always do things at end moment, so I'm going to do it. So let's do it. Let me just show you guys my outfit. So I'm wearing this pink color kurta. It's from Max. So yeah, and this dupatta and this dhoti. Before we start, I just wanted to tell you guys that yesterday I went out for shopping and I saw this cute little notebook and it looks so cute. It has some lemons over it and it was just for 30 rupees and it has a cardboard cover on it and it looks so cute. And I have a habit to write down the things which I have to do in a day, and for that it's a perfect book because it's small and it's handy. So yeah, I really love this book. I just wanted to tell you guys that much. Let's get started with our nail extensions. Guys, it's currently 5 o'clock and we are making lanterns. I know it's a bit late, but yeah, we are making lantern. And I don't know if camera is capturing it properly, but yeah, we made it and I'll just put the photo right over here and it's looking so pretty. I'm making another lantern. So this is in progress. So yeah, after making that I'll meet you guys. Guys, we have hung the lantern and now we are going to go and have some yummy waffle because I'm craving for waffle. Let's go and have waffle. waffles and I'm running super late because दुकान पे पूजा 9 बजे and मैं अभी तक रेडी नहीं हुई और अभी 8 बजे और मैं अभी तक रेडी नहीं हुई. So I have to do a lot of things. I have to do my nails which I was going to do in afternoon, but मेरे glue ने क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया और वो nails चिपक ही नहीं रहे थे. So I got this Fevikwik and I'm going to do my nails quickly. So let's do it. So I did my nails and it's looking so pretty. I'm loving the way it turned out. Let's get ready quickly because we are getting late. 12 o'clock and I'm super tired. I just came now from the puja and मैं बहुत भाग कर गई थी, so I forgot to show you guys what I am wearing. So I just show you guys what I am wearing right now. Cute little brown kind of palazzo and top, and it has a cut over here and I just love it. And I'm also wearing some heels. It's an hologram heels and I just love it. I bought it during my farewell and I was just in love with it. And yeah, I'm just going to go and sleep right now because you guys can see I'm literally sweating right now. So bye. Hello guys, it's the next day and today is 16th of November and Happy New Year to you and your family. मैं अभी फटाफट रेडी होके दुकान जाने वाली हूँ. So in 3, 2, 1, I am ready. I am wearing this green gown kind of something and it's looking so pretty and I bought it recently, so I'm in love with it and I'll just show you what I am wearing. This is the gown which I am wearing and please ignore the mess behind me, but I am in love with this gown and it's so cute. The color is so pretty and now I'm going to go at my shop and wish everyone Happy New Year. So let's go and wish them. Home and that was how I enjoyed my Diwali. I hope you guys would have enjoyed your Diwali also, and also happy Diwali and New Year from my side to your family and you. And that was it for today's video. I hope you guys would have enjoyed this video. If you have, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to my channel below, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and be happy. Bye.